morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, February 1st, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be sunny with a high of 58 and a low of 37.
Cool. Now here's Mrs. Sowers with an important message.
Hi Falcons, congratulations on meeting our fun run goal. As promised, here's my friend Nelson.
Have fun with that.
Come on.
Oh, kiss the mouth packet.
They wanted me to kiss one on the lips. You are sweet.
Happy birthday. Today we have 3 special birthdays today. Happy birthday, Linsa, Amon, Ismail Mahia, and Lily Woods.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Today in history, in 1861, Governor Sam Houston storms out of the legislative session upon learning that Texas has enough votes to leave the Union.
Today is National Texas Day. This day recognizes the Lone Star State as the 28th state in the United States of America.
In the headlines, Snowy Owl is spotted in New York Central Park for the first time in 130 years. It has been over a century since this type of owl has been seen in New York. Spotted on the baseball field was the Manhattan skyline in the backyard. This was the big deal. Typically, they live in the Arctic and fly south in the winter to find food.
Ooh, wow.
Today's fun fact is pigeons can tell the difference between a painting by Monet and Picasso.
Whoa.
Whoa.
No.
Ooh la la. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Alexis, why did this pony get sent back to his room?
I don't know why.
Because he was horsing around.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Nevaeh.
And I'm Alexis.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Pump it up.